I mean, obviously, the world, the headlines these days, it's just across the board. It's hard to even imagine what we're dealing with and watching. And let's just talk about, we still got Ukraine. You saw the Taiwan comments the other day. George Soros and George Soros, but making comments that we're on the cusp of what could be a global conflict that ends in something horrific. Davos, the mentality is very, very pessimistic and sort of downbeat. Is this good for sentiment in that it creates an opportunity to buy some of these things? Or why can't we just look it straight in the face and say things are really troubling in the entire world right now?
There's no question. Europe situation is very troubling. Russia could do anything at any time. And, of course, the U.S. is not going to give in. They're going to be supplying the Ukraine with more and more weapons. So that is going to go on. And it's just a problem. The real issue is there going to be a mistake being made? And therefore, we got to run for cover. And probably the best place to be is where, you're not going to get possibly hit. That would be Asia, Africa, Latin America, places like that. But otherwise, it's a very, very pessimistic situation. And of course, you can tell by looking at the market, all the defense stocks are up dramatically in the face of really what we're headed into a big bear market. So that tells you something.
So with that in mind, what are your least troublesome regions to be investing money right now, Mark?
Well, the bottom line is that the consumption is not going to disappear. The U.S. is going to continue consuming and importing, maybe at a lesser level, but they will continue to do that. And these countries like China, India, Brazil, et cetera, big economies, they will continue to consume. So I think there is going to be tremendous opportunities in this bear market. So it's going to be an opportunity that probably can't be missed within the next month or 2 months. So we just got to look at where the markets go. I think, as I said, things will move down more, but now's the time to start thinking about what to pick up.
And when you do see that, what are your favorite areas at this point? And you can spam the globe, we used to say whenever we talked about to Hormel. But spamming the globe, where would you go?
I still would be into tech, and that is tech companies that are actually earning money and growing, because technology is going to be continuing to hit these countries around the world, and companies that are supplying the technology will do very well. So that's one area. Because of COVID, everybody's aware of health and health measurement. So that's another area we will look at, any testing, measurement, and that sort of area. And then, in some of these countries like India, consumption is moving up, particularly in the property area. So it's about time to start looking at construction materials that are, moving. That area is a very important area for India and some of the other countries.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.